It was a vibrant display of creativity, innovation, and technical skill as students from across Nigeria converged today in Abuja for the Robotics for Good Youth Challenge.
The International Telecommunication Union, with support from Google and will.i.am's I.am Angel Foundation, announced the AI and Robotics Youth Programme in October 2025, launching in January 2026. Building on the success of the AI for Good Robotics for Good Youth Challenge and its food security theme, the programme is being implemented by ITU and builds onto Giga, a joint initiative of ITU and UNICEF, engaged in over 50 countries, supporting governments to connect every school to the internet and every young person to information, opportunity and choice. The programme brings hands-on AI and robotics through structured teacher training, national innovation challenges and AI school clubs across 5 pilot countries: Côte d'Ivoire, Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria and South Africa. 1,000 teachers are being trained, more than 100 teams, reaching up to 20,000 students to gain the skills, creativity and confidence to shape our AI future.
I don't know how to express my feeling right now, but we won and I'm just happy all our effort actually paid out.